Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see here, we've got this graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So as you can see, in my case it is almost 3 hours. Most of the time I've spent on the Chrome and the settings. You can also check the unlocks and the notifications count. And we've got two different ways to check some further details. So we can tap inside the graph and it will show us the dashboard, which is divided between particular days. Under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, or you can tap on one particular app, so for example the Chrome. And after tapping you can see again the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with only this one app. You can change it from daily to hourly, and again the screen time to the notifications and the times opened. Quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect, because basically if you need the time for yourself, you need to rest, you want to work, you don't want to be disturbed, you want to spend the time with your family, etc., you can set the focus mode or the bedtime mode, and I highly recommend to check them, because here you can mark those apps which are distracting for you, and you can pick particular hours and days, and then your device will simply hide the notifications from those apps in this particular time, which is quite cool because you will be able to focus on important things like work, for example. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.